to share someone's stories on Facebook. Finally, Facebook has a built in feature where you can directly share someone else's story. And here is how to do it. First of all you have to do is open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Facebook account. Once inside the Facebook app, all you have to do is look for the story you want to share. So let me just tap on the first story available here in my feed. And once I tap on it, you will simply get to see three dot icon available at the top right corner of your screen. Now all you have to do is tap on the three dot icon, then tap on the copy link to share this story option available there. Now tap on it and you will copy the link of this story. Once copied, all you have to do is paste it wherever you would like to share it, either Gmail or either Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, wherever you prefer. Just know that it will be deleted within 24 hours because story timeline is only for 24 hours. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.